Hey, this is Cgaga 60 inches Daily Tips. Subscribe to make your daily life easier. Matcha stir-fried rice 1. Ingredients: 400 grams of cooked rice, half of an onion, 2 eggs, 80 grams of vegetable mix containing string beans, carrots, and corns, 2 slices of bacon, 15 grams of butter, 5 grams of matcha powder, some edible salt. 2. Cut up the bacon and onion. 3. Break the egg into a bowl, whip it up. Add 5 grams of butter into a fry pan and heat it. Then, pour the egg liquid into the fry pan. Stir-fry the egg and use the spatula to cut the fried egg into small pieces. 4. Scoop up the egg pieces. Add the left 10 grams of butter, bacon and onion pieces into the fry pan. Stir-fry for a while. 5. Add the vegetable mix. Keep stir-frying. 6. Add the cooked rice, egg pieces, and some suitable amount of edible salt. Keep stir-frying. 7. Turn off the cooking fire before spraying matcha powder on the fried rice. Remember, spray matcha powder after you turn off the fire. Otherwise the matcha would lose its beautiful color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more tips.